Right, this is the last example in the substitution section before the exercise. Hope you're finding that all these examples are really helpful. It's best to have as many as possible because it's a technique that's going to come up in the exam. And if you've been doing the past papers, you've seen that it's all over the place. The substitution to make is let 1 plus sine x equal to u. I could have written it the other way around really, couldn't I? But never mind, I've left it like that. So 1 plus sine x is what u is, okay? So that means du dx is equal to cos x, and so that means dx is equal to du over cos x. Hopefully you're happy with that. Can you see how nice it is? Okay, when you substitute in, what happens to the cos x terms? They cancel. Lovely. Okay, worry about the limits afterwards. Bear in mind those cos x terms are going to cancel. We'll go a bit quicker on this one. So root of 1 plus sine x, that is going to be root u. So u to the power of a half. And du, remembering that I've put in the cos x and cancelled that already. Okay? So that is that. So then integrate that u to the 3 over 2 times by 2/3 and then do the limits. Okay? So let's see what happens. Okay? We want to change that limit there of x equals 0, and when x equals 0 we're going to work out the value of u is. Okay? U is equal to 1 plus sine 0, which is going to be 1. So u is 1 there and there. And then what happens when x is equal to pi over 2? So I just want to say something. I always try and remind you wherever possible, when you do an integration or differentiation, radians always, okay? Never ever degrees. So I just want to keep reminding you whenever I think about it, okay? So x equals pi over 2. So what is sine pi over 2? That's 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. U equals 2. So that's 2 there and 2 there. Okay with that? Hope so. If not, rewind the video and play it again. So substitute in 2/3 of, that's going to be 2 to the power of 3 over 2. Subtract 2/3 of 1. Okay, which is just going to be 2/3, isn't it? Now we've got to work out what this is. Okay, so 2 to the power of 3 over 2, that's just the same as the square root of 2 cubed, isn't it? Square root of 2 cubed, which is just that, which is just 2 root 2. So you've got 2/3 of 2 root 2. So 2 times 2 is 4, so 4 root 2 over 3, subtract 2 over 3. And there it is, okay?